Hi, I'm Kristen Baraboo, owner of Bend Beyond. Today's Inferno exercise is Forearm Plank. Forearm Plank strengthens your abs, legs, and core muscles. By improving your core strength, it can help improve balance and posture and alleviate lower back pain. Beyond all the strengthening benefits of forearm planks, there's also stretching benefits. They stretch your shoulders, hamstrings, calves, and can especially stretch the arches of your feet. Forearm planks boost your metabolism and can even boost your mood. Breath is key during a forearm plank hold. Never hold your breath. Instead, use the lateral Pilates breath that we teach you in class, breathing into the rib cage so that you can keep core engagement to help stabilize and keep proper form throughout your forearm plank hold. Form is key, so choose the variation on the knees or on the toes that allows you to keep the proper form. Planks are so beneficial and important that we include some variation in all of our Inferno classes. Let's take a closer look at the form of forearm planks so that you can rock your plank prone series the next time you come sweat with us. Forearm plank. First, the setup. Grab opposite elbows each other. Release your hands into a number 11 or 10 fingers interlocked. That'll give you the perfect stance for you. As you place your arms down on your mat, make sure that your shoulders are directly over the elbows, not in front and not behind, but stacked right over for a stable base. Push into the floor with your hands, forearms, and elbows to get wide across your scapula. Avoid letting the chest sink, creating chicken wings on the back. Always push away from your foundation and stay lifted. It's a good idea to start on your knees to begin with. Feet together, and actively here as well, press down through the tops of your feet. Press down through your shin bones to engage your legs and glutes. Neutral spine is key for maximum benefit. Pull your navel in and keep that nice hip to rib connection that you created earlier in your Inferno practice. Once you got the form, try going up on the toes. Make sure though that here you keep the proper form. If your hips start dipping down low, sinking, or tenting up, no picnics in Inferno, make sure you bring them right back down, shoulders over elbows, hips in line with your spine, neutral spine engagement, or drop back to the knees if you can't resume this form. Form always comes first. Holding these planks creates tremendous benefits for you. Keep these tips in mind next time you make it to your mat, and we hope you'll get more out of your practice with us. See you soon.